Tired of manually recreating every sales order? Learn to clone and email it in under 2 minutes. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through finding the original order, cloning it, and sending it directly to your customer. First, open Zoho Books from your browser or app. Then, in the left sidebar, click on Sales Orders to see your list. Find and open the sales order you want to duplicate. Now click on the 3-dot menu at the top right of the order. Then select Clone from the drop-down to create an identical copy. Once the clone opens, click Save and Send to prepare the email. Then click Send to deliver it to your customer. Click the Highlight button. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.